Tonight is on a island. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I think this you touch.
Hey everyone, so today we're going to be working with LUVME again. Y'all know I love me some LUVME. So today we're going to be getting into their summer series, guys. So right now I'm just showing you the beautiful packaging and everything that comes along with it. So they sent me over this mirror that I'm definitely going to put in my purse, a LUVME head wrap, an edge brush, some wig caps, and their information card. Now let's get into the details of this wig. So they sent me over a water wave 4x4 closure wig in 12 inches. One of my favorite things about LUVME wigs is their construction. So right now I'm just pointing out the 4 combs that come with this wig. There are 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. And then it also comes with adjustable straps as well as an adjustable band. So right now I'm going to be showing you the knots on this wig, y'all. It was already pre-bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. So that is a plus. Less work is best. Okay, so I'm showing you these water wave curls and they are just so gorgeous. I went ahead and put this on my mannequin head just so y'all can get a better view, and I'm going to give you another up close of those knots again because this will save time, sis. You will not have to bleach them, and yeah, that's the mood. So this is another shot of those popping curls, y'all, but I ended up going ahead to bleach a little bit more, and this is what the hair looked like after I washed it. So I'm just going to show you me brushing through the curls. Look how they just bounce back into place. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so I'm just going to comb through it a few times, and then we're going to go ahead and spray it with our water just to get it nice and wet. So now that the hair is soaking wet, you're going to go ahead and scrunch it up a little just to define those curls. And while I was letting it dry, I did go ahead and hot comb the top just so everything could be nice and flat. And I wanted the hairline to look nice and neat, y'all. So as you can see, your girl is kind of getting better at plucking. I don't really, have a method like I told y'all, but it looks good. So yeah, I'm just going to hot comb that, and then we're going to go ahead and show y'all what the curls is looking like once they dry. And we're going to go ahead and put it on our model, which today we are featuring my lovely mother. So y'all say hey to her in the comments, and yeah, we're just going to go ahead and install this wig. So I went ahead with some cream foundation just to get the lace to match her more precisely. And I just put that all over the lace. I also went ahead and added that adjustable band because my mom has a small head, as y'all can see. I'm not trying to be funny, by the way, Mom, because I know you're watching this. But I also learned this trick right here to get your wig snug. If you know, you know, sis. Yes. So we're going to slide that wig on, and I'm going to go ahead and adjust it in the back, and then we'll move on to the next steps. Okay, so because I did not do a ball cap, I am going to just put the wig cap and push it back slightly, and then add that same foundation color on her cap so it doesn't look too light once I pull the wig back down. So now we're gonna pull the wig back down, y'all, and then what am I gonna be doing? Oh yeah, we zooming in to see what that lace is looking like on that scalp. And now we're gonna go ahead and cut in zigzag motions. Yeah, just don't cut it straight across. Do jagged motions with your scissors, or another tip is you can use a razor that'll help you get that jagged cut as well. So while I was editing this video, I did realize that the foundation I put down was a little bit too light, so I did go ahead and put a darker foundation at the end, which is what y'all seen in the beginning of this video. So right now it's still looking a little light, but it still looks good for it to be glueless. So right now we're going to go ahead and wet those curls just so we can get them back nice and popping, because this is what it looks like with everything brushed out. And again, we did not use any glue. This is still glueless, so yeah. Okay, girl, so I had to give y'all a close-up of this glueless lace closure wig, and this is the point where I did go ahead and add a darker foundation so it can match a little better. And I used the little black spray in the part. And as you can see, this is glueless, honey, glueless. I'm also going to be showing y'all a few parts throughout the hair just so you can see what exactly you can do with this 4x4 lace. So now we're gonna put it to the test. This is a glueless wig. Y'all see, I done took the whole wig off, y'all. And watch how easy it's gonna be to put it right back on. That's why I love this wig, because it is a throw on and go. You pull that lace back down, comb those baby hairs into place if you have any, and you are ready to go. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick tutorial. Let me know what you think about this wig. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.